All right, good afternoon, third grade scholars of Emory and Harvard. If you're a scholar of Emory, if you're in this video on a Monday, I'm hoping you have a great Monday so far. I hope your weekend was fine, and I'm sending you energy for the rest of the week. If you are a scholar of Harvard, you are viewing this video on a Tuesday. I hope your Monday went well. You're almost halfway through the week. We're almost there at fall break. Keep chugging along, Harvard scholars, and I hope your weekend was well. And here's a little energy for the rest of the week. All right, we're gonna get started as always, as Coach P always like to do, with some music. All right, we're gonna rock out. We're gonna get that energy going. We're gonna get pumped up, and we're gonna get ready for our daily routine exercises. All right. After those daily routine exercises, we have a little math equation I want to solve out. See if the third grade scholars of Harvard and Emory can solve that. And then at the end, I have some friends over at Go Noodle or Kid. It might be Kids Bop that we're gonna hang out with. All right. And after that, I have a little entertainment for you to end the day. All right. We got a jam-packed day of fun, Emory and Harvard. So to begin, I'm gonna pull up a time card on the screen. You do not have to pause it. All right, a time card is going to come up. It's going to let you know exactly how much time you have left to listen to music before Coach Perez's voice will come back on. All right, when that time card goes down, Coach Perez's voice will reappear, and when it does, you guys are done listening to music, and we are back in character and fitness. All right, the time card is going up now. All right, third grade scholars, we are back. Your music break is over. I hope you guys are as turned up as I am. I had listened to some great music in the break, so I'm ready. I am ready for our daily routine exercises. I have some co-guests, all right, that's gonna hang out with us today. I have a first grader. These are my kids. All right, I have a first grader. Champ, you gonna do some exercises today, buddy? All right, so Champ, he's a first grader. He's gonna do some exercises with us today, and then I also have a third grader. She's in the same grade as you guys, Emory and Harvard. I have a third grade, Miss Holly. Holly, where are you? All right, they're gonna do our daily routine exercise for us today. So I'm gonna move this chair. All right, I'm gonna move this chair, and these guys are gonna lead the daily routine exercises for today. All right. So I'm gonna tell them what to do. They're new to this. All right, but they're eager and ready to work out. All right. So Holly and Champ, we start with 10 jumping jacks. All right. Scholars of Emory and Harvard are excited. They know exactly what they're doing. So when Coach P says go, each scholar, meaning you guys, I'm Coach P, all right? Me and you guys will do 10 jumping jacks, all right? Ready, go. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, and 10. All right, Holly and Chad and the scholars of Harvard and Emory, we are done with our first set of daily routine exercises today. So Holly and Chad, what do you guys think we're going to do next? Not knee stretches right now, but we're gonna do one more set of jumping jacks. One more set, all right? So Harvard and Emory is ready. Holly and Chad's gonna be ready. This time I want Chad to count out. what number we're on, okay? So count out nice and loud so Emory and Harvey can hear you. And when Coach P says go, each scholar will do 10 more jumping jacks. All right, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, good job, Chad. Good job, Harvard and Emory, knocking out our first set of exercise for today. Today, now our second set of exercise is a squat. The scholars of Harvard and Emory know exactly what a squat is, and it looks like Chad knows exactly what a squat is as well. So I would say go, and each scholar will do 10 squats. All right, start with your arms out. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, champ, you are really doing well today. He's our coach for the day. We knocked out our first set of squats. Stay loose, guys. Make sure you're getting a good stretch in between every exercise. We're gonna get started with our second set of squats. All right, this is our second set of squats. How about Holly count out the time, what number we're on when it's time to count the number? And Chad, you let Holly do it. All right. So when I say go, each scholar of Harvard and Emory and Holly and Chad is gonna do 10 more squats. All right, we start our arms out. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, good job, Holly, counting out those squats. All right, now it's time for some fun exercises. All right, we got our legs warmed up. We jumped a little bit. Now it's time to run in place. All right, we're gonna run in place for 10 seconds. Holly and Chad, you might not know, but the first time around when we run in place, we do jog. We just jog, and then the second time we're gonna run as fast as we can. All right, so we're gonna start out with a jog. Coach P is gonna say go. He's gonna count off to 10 seconds, and then when you get done with 10 seconds, you guys are done. All right. So when I say go, each scholar of Harvard and Emory and Holly and Chad is going to run in place for 10 seconds. All right, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, take a bit of a break. Make sure you stretch out because we're about to run it in place as fast as we possibly can. We're turning into the Flash today. We want to see the fastest scholar in Harvard and Emory, and I also want to see who's fast between Holly and Champ. All right, so runners in place. When I say go, each scholar will run in place as fast as they can for 10 seconds. All right, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, good job, Holly and Chad. I couldn't tell who was the fastest. You guys are running really, really fast. I wish you could see how fast the Emory and Harvard scholars is because they are really, really fast as well. All right, we're all tired out. Our heart is beating a little fast. It's time for some wind down exercises. All right, it's time to wind down. So, my scholars of Emory and Harvard know what we're doing. Our first wind down exercise. We start with our arms out and we go in a circular motion 5 times. And Coach P will yell backwards, and you go backwards 5 times. All right. So scholars start with their arms out. And when I say go, each scholar will do 5 forward arm winds, and then Coach P is going to say backwards, and then you'll do 5 backward arm winds. All right, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good job, third grade scholars. You're doing really, really well today. Say, let's send some energy to our host scholars today. First grade Chad and third grade Holly. Okay, we're gonna do one more set of arm winds. All right. So when Coach P says go, each scholar will do 5 forward arm winds, and then I'll yell backwards, and each scholar will do 5 backward arm winds. All right, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, third grade scholars of Harvard and Emory. Let's take a bit of a break, rest our body just for a little bit. We have one more exercise to do today. One more exercise to do today, and we are all done with our daily routine exercises. All right, so that exercise, we're going to start with our hands on our hip. And then Coach P will say go, and each scholar go in a circular motion over and over again, winding that body all the way until we get to 10. All right, we're trying to get to 10. All right, so scholars start with your hands on your hip, and when Coach P says go, each scholar will do 10 upper body winds. All right, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, good job, third grade scholars. Good job, Holly and Chad. Uh, no. All right, so we are going to do one more exercise. We have one more exercise today, and that is one more set of upper body winds. All right, this time I'm gonna let Champ count out the number of our body winds. All right, so when I say go, each scholar of Harvard and Emory is gonna do 10 upper body winds, and Champ is gonna call out the number for us. All right, ready, go. Upper body winds, circle of motion. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, good job. Let's give up again, Harvard and Emory, for our guest scholars today. First grade Champ and third grade Holly. All right, Holly and Chad, I'll see you guys later. I'm going to rejoin Harvard and Emory, and we're going to talk about the rest of class today. All right? Looks like they want to say goodbye. All right, we are going to start the rest of the class today. Like I said earlier, we are going to get into a bit of a math equation. I want to see, we do 5 daily routine exercises a day, right? 5 daily routine exercises. Let's count those exercises out to make sure. Okay, we do jumping jacks, we run in place, we do upper body winds, we do full body. Oh, I'm sorry, we do arm winds, and we also do squats. 5. All right. Obviously, we're third graders, so we know how to count to 5. Well, do we know if 5 is a odd or a even number? Very interesting. Do we know if 5 is a odd or even number? All right. So let's count it out. Let's see what if we can remember if it's an odd or even number. I remember earlier about 2 weeks ago we were doing our exercises. We were counting out only on the even numbers. So it seems like those even numbers were 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So the odd numbers will have to be 1, 3, 7, 9, and 5. 5 is a odd number. So if you guess odd on which number 5 was, then you are correct. Let's always remember our odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. And our even numbers is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So the answer to today's riddle was odd. 5 is a odd number. All right, Harvard and Emory, we're going to transition over to our Go Noodle video. I have some friends over at Go Noodle. They're going to exercise with you today. And then after that, have your teachers or your parent pull up a very fun, interactive video. I have a cool video that I want you guys to watch after that to kind of relax your mind, and get your body back prepared to hop into instructional time. All right? So, class is over for the day. Just go right over to Google Classroom, start the Go Noodle video. When you're done with the Go Noodle video, just have the entertainment video pulled up after, and then you return to your instructional class. I will see Emory on Wednesday, Harvard on Thursday. I cannot wait to see you guys. You guys have a good rest of the week. Bye.